Nihilism is the idea that life, values, morality, knowledge, or existence has no built-in meaning, purpose, or real value. In its strongest form, it says nothing truly matters, not just in a lazy way, but as a deep truth about everything. The word comes from Latin nihil, which means nothing. Main types of nihilism. Here are the most common kinds. Existential nihilism means life has no natural meaning, goal, or special importance. We live in a huge, uncaring universe that has no plan for us. Moral/ethical nihilism means there are no real objective rules of right and wrong. Ideas of good and evil are just things humans made up. They have no solid basis in reality. Epistemological nihilism means true and certain knowledge is impossible. Every claim about truth eventually falls apart if you question it enough. Political nihilism, especially common in 1800s, Russia, means current governments, laws, and social systems are so worthless or rotten that they should be completely destroyed instead of fixed. Friedrich Nietzsche, 1844 to 1900, is the thinker most connected to nihilism. He did not think it was the final answer. He saw it as a serious problem that happens when old sources of meaning, especially belief in God, disappear. He said people must find a way to move past it. Here he is in a classic portrait. Some well-known Nietzsche quotes, "Nihilism stands at the door, whence comes this uncanniest of all guests. Nihilism is not only the belief that everything deserves to perish, but one actually puts one shoulder to the plow. One destroys." He called it the moment when the highest values devalue themselves. Other people also talked about similar ideas, like Russian writers in the 1860s and later thinkers like Jean-Paul Sartre, who said we should create our own meaning. But Nietzsche is the most important figure. In short, nihilism says nothing has real meaning or value on its own. How that feels, freeing, scary, or just honest, is up to each person who thinks about it.